All right, guys. Wanted to talk to you guys real quick about some bearings. The wagon bearings that most people find typically online are these. They are the same part numbers here. Excuse me, 4T32008s. However, these are unmarked. Now, these are good bearings. They do work well, but the difference is the race. Now, we've been guilty of this as well. We ordered these bearings for our wagon rebuild kits and discovered that the races are too small. So instead of going out and digging around even further or ordering them directly from Japan, which would have taken much longer, we just had some of our own made. Now, these bearings are the real deal. They are the correct thickness, even the correct part number for the race, to allow you to fit into any OEM wagon differential to carrier and fit correctly with the correct tolerance. Diffworks, good friend of ours, we've sent him out a set of these so that he can run these in his wagon diff. I believe it may be his or a personal friend of his, getting rebuilt. However, we now have the differential to carrier bearings so that we can rebuild all wagon differentials. With that, we've made our own shims. Shim number 15 is the shim that goes on the outer race here to shim to the actual differential, and this controls how close or how far away from your pinion gear that your ring gear sits on the differential. So in this case, this is the correct bearing. Though they are both similar, you can actually take the race off and swap the bearings and they will fit just the same. We have the correct bearing and the correct race. So we've got rebuild kits available on our website. I wanted you guys to know you can get all of your wagon bearings here. We've got a couple people out running them now. Pretty good success. We have the pinion shims coming up here shortly. That will be number 13 and number 16 as well. So that you guys literally will have a 100% holistic rebuild kit for your entire wagon differential. If you guys are interested, hit us up online. We don't use the wrong bearings here. But I'm pretty sure some of you have ordered these bearings before and met with a little bit of trouble sometimes trying to make them fit and force them to shim correctly. So we made shim number 15 every literal size that Honda had deemed for these differentials. We have them made to close tolerance. If you guys need them, we're here for you 100%. Thanks, guys.